Hello, today we will guide you through how to post a 360 photo in Google Maps. To get started, open Google Maps in your web browser. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for the upload, since photo contributions are tied to your account. Starting from the main Google Maps screen gives you access to the full location details and the contribution options you'll need for this process. Next, choose the location where you want to post your 360 photo. You can do this by clicking on a sample location or establishment directly on the map, or by searching for the place if needed. When you select the correct location, a details panel will open. It's important to make sure you're attaching the photo to the right place so viewers can find it where it belongs. After opening the location panel, scroll down until you find the Photos and Videos section. This area contains the visual content that has already been shared for that place. Taking a moment to find this section helps confirm that you're in the right part of the listing before uploading anything. If the panel is long, keep scrolling carefully until the section becomes visible. Once you see it, click on Add Photos and Videos. This opens the upload window where Google Maps allows you to contribute media to the selected location. This is the point where you move from viewing content to adding your own. If a file picker appears, that means you're ready for the next part. Now browse for your sample 360 photo on your device. Navigate to the folder where the image is saved and select the correct file. Be sure you choose the 360 photo you intend to upload, since this image will be associated with the location you selected. It also helps if the file is already easy to find before you begin, so the upload process goes more smoothly. Finally, upload the photo. After selecting the file, confirm the upload and allow Google Maps a moment to process it. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a little time. Once submitted, the image may not appear instantly, so don't worry if there's a short review or processing delay before it becomes visible publicly. And that's all it takes to post a 360 photo in Google Maps. Following these steps carefully will help ensure your image is uploaded to the correct place and ready for others to explore.